Hi everyone, this is Ella and Ella's mommy from the best family show ever, and today we have a special event. We are gonna paint Easter eggs.
Easter eggs! Painted too!
And Ella is gonna learn about the primary colors red, yellow, and blue. And
you love blue.
And when you mix them together, what color does it make?
Orange and black. And now pink.
So we're gonna start off with mixing yellow and red and see what color we get. What color do you think we're gonna get, Ella?
Purple and mixing.
You think we're gonna get purple with blue? With red and yellow?
Yeah.
Okay, first you have to wet your paint. Okay, take a chunk of yellow, and we use a handy acorn for this craft, so we don't have any cleaning up to do. Okay, go ahead.
I'll put in this.
Okay, you can put it in here.
Okay.
So you have red here, right? So now I can see it. It's red. Okay.
And yellow.
Okay, I'm just gonna put some more paint. Okay.
Mommy, yellow. Yellow too, Mommy. Yellow.
Okay. I'm gonna use another brush. So this is red right here.
But I like that one.
Okay.
I'm using that one, Mommy.
I know we're using that one. Just one.
Now yellow.
And now I'm gonna get a chunk of yellow. And let's see what color it makes. We put this here right now. Let's see what color it makes.
Oh, it's turning orange.
Oh, so now you know what color it makes.
Turning orange.
It makes orange. That is correct. You can put a little bit more water. We're using watercolors to paint the Easter eggs.
I think I know orange.
Okay, so you want to start painting your eggs?
Yes. This one I just painted.
Okay, I just have to put a little bit more yellow because you just put a lot of red.
And we're actually eating tiny small, I don't know. Oh, this one first. Oops. I cut it the other one.
So this is a nice orange color here.
And I don't like this turtle because I like orange turtle. Because I always eat orange and you hate orange. You're so picky to eat orange.
Okay. So now,
I'm done.
yours is done?
Yes. One more part here.
Okay.
Okay.
So now we're gonna do blue.
Oh, Mommy, can I do it first?
Okay, no. Let mommy do this because it's kind of messy. We're gonna do blue.
But I'm gonna try.
We're
Mommy,
gonna,
I'm gonna try.
we're gonna do blue.
Mama, can I try?
Okay. Hold on. What? Okay. What do you think blue and red makes?
I'm doing it.
What do you think blue and red makes?
It's on purple.
Ooh! Look what happened.
It's on purple. Yes. And let's see what orange and what's yellow and yellow and blue makes.
See if it makes this color here.
It makes brown.
Ooh, brown. We start mixing orange,
We hate brown.
blue, purple, mix brown. Okay, so what other color do you want to make with the primary colors? Ooh, let's make green. How about we make green?
Yeah, just wait, Mommy, wait. I have to finish coloring this. And we'll see what blue, green, and purple makes. Okay, Mommy?
Okay, so I'm gonna take a little bit of the yellow. This inside here.
Then,
Okay, so we're gonna make.
Mama, look there, in the water.
Huh?
I made it brown when I dumped this in.
We're gonna make green now.
I made it green. It's blue.
We're gonna mix yellow and blue.
It's already green.
Mix green. So
Green.
red and yellow makes orange. Blue and yellow makes green. And red and blue makes purple.
Now let's
So
try
now we
this.
have our colors, so now we can paint
We're gonna have a little bit green in this one.
the eggs.
The eggs, I just paint this one because I painted it in purple. And I just tried the red one, other ones. I don't know. Except all you have this. The green is the favorites. Favorites are green for me. I actually like green. Oh, look, green is turning green. Done.
Good
You
job.
let me do that. Okay, mommy, just let me do this one in the bottom too. I waiting for them to dive.
Okay, and now
Neat
I would like to do orange on this. So let's do orange on this. We'll
Can
kind
I-
of turn like.
Oh, mommy, can I
brownish.
just do this one? Do this one and have black. And see this one, what tone is? Mine is always black and white. Mom, I just dirty my hands.
Okay.
Is your hand dirty?
Yes, mommy's hands is really.
There
Okay,
you
so
go.
now we got orange egg here. Clean the brush a bit.
Hold on.
And then I'm just gonna finish doing this.
Let's just do this one with it. Oh my god! Oh look, it's turning black web. Look, it's turning black web. Try orange.
Okay,
Which orange one? Which orange one?
this one's the orange one. What color is this one supposed to be? Green? Okay.
I just picked the same pin as the normal one.
Okay, so I think we have all our eggs colored.
Even I just have the white.
Okay, you can use this.
Let's back in line. Orange my favorite one.
So here we have our eggs all colored.
Now, even this thing is turning orange.
Hmm?
It's turning orange. And I made this one black.
Okay, so we
Turned all the Easter eggs. Now I can decorate them
now we get to
Decorate them.
decorate them
with eyeballs.
with eyeballs and ears.
Wait, just let me do the eyeballs. Here's the eyeballs. The eyeballs.
Okay, so you choose what color you want for your eyeballs.
I like shooting yellow, and I like shooting blue.
We're gonna choose.
And don't you dare drop it again.
Okay, what color do you want for
I like
eyeballs?
blue.
Blue?
This one is the blue.
There's a blue one.
And another blue.
Another blue eyeball. And mommy's gonna choose the yellow eyeball.
Look at googly eyes. I got the googly eyes hand.
Yeah.
See? Look.
Okay.
Even his face. Even his face.
So we have our
Googly eyes.
handy dandy glue gun that I'm gonna do because it's dangerous.
It will be very hot.
Okay, let's see which
It's
one.
very hot. Mama, don't burn me, okay?
Okay, so we're gonna put eggs like right here. Oh, I think I put too much.
Okay, that was my night turtle then.
Okay. Good job. Don't press it too hard, else you're gonna break the eggshell. Put it on. Good job. And we got some eyeballs.
Ow, you mommy, you put it on my hand.
What?
You just put
Don't worry,
blue.
it's dry. Okay, what happened to mommy's eyeballs? Okay, so I got yellow eyeballs, and I'm gonna put the yellow eyeballs
How do you look yellow so much?
like this. Kids, remember, glue guns are only for adults. You need to ask an adult to help you. This one is gonna have what color?
What?
Let's do green because the red color. So, okay. You wanna hold these?
I just like pink.
Okay, so I'll do this one, and then you can do your pink.
One.
You do your pink and your red one.
Hey, Mommy, I just want to put something in this one with pink.
Okay. So
So,
we got
Mommy,
3 eggs
My
with
turn.
eyeballs. Okay.
My turn.
So which one you want to do now? This one?
Yeah, I like white. It looks white, green. I think you put too much.
Okay. Oh, before it dries. Don't touch the food. It's gonna be hot. Okay. Good job. Good job.
Look at it. It's like
Wow! Look at this.
smiles.
Oh, look what this one only got half a color. Okay. Now we're gonna do this.
This one got half a color too.
Okay.
So, can I
With
do?
red eyes. Okay.
Can I do the red one?
Oh, we're missing one more eyeball. We have to do the green one. Okay.
I'll hold you up, Mommy. Okay.
There you go.
Think about myself.
Good job.
Put it on myself.
Good job. Good job. Okay. So we have another egg with some red eyeballs.
Can I do just one more now?
Okay, what's the final color? What's the final color? Or let's do 2 colors.
Because it's rainbow ones.
Okay.
Rainbow? Oh, I got green.
Okay, and blue. Okay, that's good.
That's
This
good.
one's gonna have 2 color eyes.
Yeah, because whole eye the rainbow.
Okay, ready?
Ah, I got it.
Oh, you dropped it again?
Yeah. It's
Okay,
in
you
your
got it?
shell.
Okay, ready?
It
Good
looks like,
job.
It looks like little apples.
You okay?
No, it didn't put me.
Okay, good.
It only put me tiny.
Okay,
It just put me tiny, Mommy. It just put me a little bit. Now
Now-
they're all done.
we're ready for the next step. We're gonna do some bunny ears.
When how do you do the bunny ears like this? Like this? Like this, Mommy? I like blue almost. Can you give me blue for my side? Mommy, how do you make it?
I think we need
Oh, I know.
to get.
I know how to make it now.
You know how to make it? Okay.
Yeah. I just know how. I just think for it. I think.
Okay.
Now like this.
Just make it get a shape like a bunny.
How do you do say like a bunny?
Okay, you want me to show you? I thought you said you knew how to do it.
No, I don't know how to do this part.
Okay, so you go.
Mom, I don't know how to do this
Okay, I'm
part.
showing you. I'm showing you. Look. So you hold it like this. Okay. You want to get a new one?
This one looks real.
Let's get a new one.
I like blue.
Oops, you got 2 with this one. So you take it like, you hold it like this,
That's what I'm holding.
okay? And then you bend it like this. Bend it like this, hold it like, bend it like this. Up. Then you push it down like this. Push it down. Then you twist it.
This
Hold it like this. The bunny ears, see?
I didn't have bunny ears. Oh.
Here, mommy will help you with it. Look. Go like this. Right?
And I just did.
Then you push it like this.
Oh,
Right?
that's why you did.
Yeah, and then you
I
twist
didn't
it.
see it. That's why.
And then you twist it, and then you hold it up. Okay, you try now. You try now.
Let's just keep doing
Okay,
it
you try
first.
by yourself now.
But let's keep doing it.
Okay, you try yourself. Stop.
Now, for you,
Mm-hmm. Yes.
now twist it.
Yeah.
You
Yeah.
don't just fall down.
Yep, and then you twist it. Twist it like this. Twist it like this.
Oh, that's what you do.
Yeah. Okay. So,
Let's
you
do.
want to try again? Let's try again. Or with this color. And I'm gonna do light pink.
I think these are too big.
So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
I just did it.
and 6 bunny ears.
I just did it and one it did it.
That's perfect. That's all we need because there's 6 eggs.
Now let's put them on and put blue.
Okay, so
first.
you hold the bunny ears while I use the glue gun.
And let's see on.
Okay, we have to be careful when we're using the glue gun.
Don't burn yourself when I
Okay, so
see-
ready?
Ah,
Are you ready?
yes. Don't burn
Okay.
myself. Now can you use it?
Good job.
But I do
Ooh.
another one. Oh,
The
too
glue's coming out. Okay, go. Next.
Too much.
Good job.
The blue one again.
Okay.
Hurry, I'm done to move you, mommy. Don't burn myself. What to do here?
Okay.
Oh my god, it's so cute. The Easter eggs are so cute.
Okay, so now
Cute.
we're gonna do it this way, okay?
You like this and that's
Okay, ready?
So burn my hand.
Okay.
Big job.
Here's the stick. You ready?
Yes. Must be the blue way.
Ooh, these bunny ears are so big, you're touching me. Okay, ready? Ready?
This one's not big.
Okay.
Ta-da!
Okay, it looks like we're done.
They're teeny
Our Easter egg bunnies.
Now let's eat this tiny little s'more.
So remember the primary colors, red, yellow, and blue,
And
mixed together
and
mix
hamsters.
the secondary colors.
And so much hamsters are
Blue
like
and yellow mix green. Blue and red mix purple. And yellow and red mix orange.
and both make black.
And as a result, you get colorful bunnies like these.
And they look like hamsters.
That was fun, right, Ella?
Yeah, now let's eat the tiny little s'more and do bring it back.
I hope you liked the episode. Happy Easter. Until next time, please like and subscribe. Bye.
Bye.